There's a new cat here. I don't want to talk too loud because I'll scare him off. But he reminds me a lot of Pershing. And he's got long hair and he's orange. Looks, it could be maybe Pershing's son. I'm not sure. But beautiful cat. Last night was the first time I'd seen him, so he's here again tonight, eating. I guess it's a male, I don't know. He's got beautiful long hair. Beautiful cat. Have to decide if it's a male or a female. Molly acts scared of him, so Molly finally came. There's Molly. She finally came. But